Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your problem of TikTok not letting you follow anyone. But before that, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel if you have already done it. Thank you so much. If you haven't, make sure to do it right away, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So there could be like some really obvious reasons for you to have those problems. It might be because of a network as well. If you do not have a good connection, your Wi-Fi connection is not that well, so you can switch to another connection, or you can switch to your mobile data instead as well. If this is not the issue as well, you have updated your app also, and you're still having this kind of problem, then once you open your TikTok app, you will simply tap on this profile icon over here, and then you will tap on this three horizontal line on top of your profile. Simply tap on it, go to settings and privacy, and you will swipe down and tap on this report a problem option. Tap on it, and here you can see there are so many topics are given over here. You can choose any of it. So since we are having with follow issue, we'll go to follow, likes and comments, and here you will see unable to follow a user in third option. Simply tap on it, and this will be the instruction given by the TikTok itself. You can say switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. As I mentioned before, clear the app video cache from your settings, restart the app on your device, make sure you're running the latest version of it. This is also not helping as you have already tried, and I mentioned over here as well. So you can simply tap on this no option, and then you will simply tap on this need more help option over here, and here you can write a message to TikTok itself. You can just write a simple message, doesn't have to be exactly what I wrote. You can simply take a screenshot or the screen recording, and you can tap on the submit option, and your feedback will be submitted to your TikTok, and then they will simply just look into your problem and get back to you as soon as possible and solve your problem as it is. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.